Oh boy, that's that little 50cc. Oh, that thing's funny. So Alex, tell the nice people of YouTube what you're attempting to do in that little 50.
Trying to do a wheelie.
How much power does that thing have?
7.5 horsepower.
When new, what do you think it has now?
3.5 horsepower.
I'd wager that. You're getting pretty close, but you know, it's kind of a sketchy operation. Why is that?
No rear brake.
Yeah, slightly problematic.
You can't exactly cover a rear brake that you don't have. You could hit the pedal you want in the hopes that you'll slow down, but you're not really going to get much out of it.
Well, let's see if you can take that little two smoke 50 up to its balance point.
Yeah, let's see.
I doubt it. Well, it's possible. Just how long you stay there?
Oh, how long will it take before I can get there?
Yeah. Almost there. What a piece of junk. Woo! There it is. Woohoo! Well done.
Yeah, the problem is once you actually find that balance point is then you keep finding it over and over again with no rear brake to stop you from keep going.
Yeah, well, I think this thing is overdue for a rear brake. Well, more like a rear brake actuator, just like the lever for the rear brake. I think I almost got one spare.
Well, I guess if you were to get it like up on its back wheel and then reach behind you and pull the back brake like that, then that's doable.
I think it's doable.
Like just
one.
like go with the handlebars.
Yeah, just like a low rider. I think that's how you kind of got it. If only it was on the other hand, right? Because then you could throttle it and then you could hit the rear brake with your left. Yeah, it's on the wrong side.
Yeah, what the heck kind of vehicle is this?
Yeah, it's so unfortunate. All our brakes are always on the right side, making it all logical and stuff.
Yamaha doesn't even know how to make a proper dirt bike putting the brake on the wrong side. You can't reach it with your hand. What's wrong with them?
What a piece of junk. Oh, look at the center bolt for the steering.
That's it? Oh, wow. I wonder if we should tighten that up.
Yeah, I think we should go in and let's just hand tighten that bugger up and let's go in and tighten that thing. Holy shit. That could have been bad. Yep. Losing a top triple while doing a wheelie.
Hey, you better maintain that wheelie the rest of the way.
Oh boy, that would have been bad. It'll be worse than that? Trying to find it in this field.
Yeah. That's as tight as my hand's gonna get it.
Well, let's go find a wrench and tighten it up.
There, right?
Sorry?
The faster we go, the sooner we get there, right?
What about the fastest we go in the head there, what now?
The faster we get there, the sooner we can tighten this bolt.
Well, I'm not racing. Unless you are racing. 50 versus 400? Damn it! Dog.
That is a dog, you are correct.
Who in their right mind in North America has such big metrics wrenches just sitting around? Oh, come on, it's a 22. Obviously, no, it's 21. click.
I heard the click. That's a good thing, right?
Yeah. Yeah, click. I think that's good.
Okay, good.
Good.
I'm glad that was good.
All fixed.
Thanks.
Want a screwdriver for that thing?
Nah.
Just hand tighten it in.
Hand tight. Little puppy. Stop licking my hand.
Here, hold on a second. It's only refineness in Redneck Ingenuity. Use a snowblower key to reefer on.
What's the point of a snowblower having a key if you permanently leave the key in the snowblower?
Well, I don't know why the snowblower has a key in the first place. This is the 50% of the yard that I'm not allowed on. Oh! Ow! Foot slipped off the Kickstarter, got me in the back of the knee.
Oh.
Obviously. It's only the... Dang it, when these boots get slippery. Come on now, don't be like this. Ugh, okay, I'm moving it back out of the way.
Okay.
Whew. Man, this DRZ, not a really good starter bike.
This DT50, the only starter bike that anybody could ever start on.
That's the perfect bike to start dirt biking on.
A scooter might be better for starting on street riding,
Yeah.
but this thing for dirt riding, perfect.
Oh, there it is, backfire. Woo! Yeah.
Okay.
Now, question is, do I do it like I normally do, or do I just go over the ice and make a fool of myself?
If you go over the ice, make a fool of yourself, you'll get hurt, and that'll be the end of our riding day.
Well, we're about that far away from, or about thumb's length away from over.
That's true. Okay, hurt yourself. Go ahead, I'll watch.
Well, what I'm thinking is I get on there and then the front tire sinks.
Oh, you think that the ice will break?
I think the ice will break.
What?
What do you think?
You walked on it, so this is an extra 250 pounds.
Well, let's see what happens.
You're gonna go slow, right?
Yep.
Okay, you're gonna make
Slowly. Woo. Like skating. Woo. Made it. Woo.
this thing does fall, it's gonna keep going through the ice and how it's probably at least 14 feet deep.
Oh yeah, at least like
At least
you drop through that ice, you're going to China.
yeah, you won't go straight through Pop Out China, and then someone will steal your dirt bike.
Damn. I wouldn't want that.
And also that journey at that speed, that would take a while.
Oh
You
shoot.
just have to lie there with your dirt bike lying on your leg the whole way down.
And I didn't bring any in-flight snacks either.
No, and also you'd be underwater.
Shoot.
Ah, you might drown by the time you get to China. Then someone will definitely steal your bike.
Oh shoot.
Let's not do that.
Yeah. Let's not break through the ice.
No. The best way to start this thing, you don't even need the kick.
No, you just push it in first. That's it. I'm jealous. That thing starts real nice in first. I've got no equipment, no, I got full equipment just to ride this stupid piece of shit.